So creating a new project. So whenever you want to work with MEP design, if you want to make HVAC modeling, electrical modeling, plumbing modeling, we need a 3D model of architecture. Okay. So we'll see how to create a architecture project. Architecture project. So assume we have a what type of project will work? Any project. Okay, random a food court. Assume food court or any university, central AC, sprinkler system, firefighting, HVAC, everything required. Okay, it's a university. Because when we make a project, that project we have to mention the names. For normal house, we say bedroom, kitchen, living room. For universities, what type of rooms will be there? For food court, what type of rooms will be there? Based on the type of building, the names will be different. It's a school project or university project. Okay, so there's the basement. Basement, forget right now. Just floor to floor height. How much? 12 feet minimum for central AC if it is there. And plinth height, no, no, it's a project. I'll go plinth height as 4 feet. Basement, one basement is there, 12 feet, 14 feet. Basement B1. Only one basement is there. Okay. And total G plus 4 levels. This is the project first. Okay. Assume it's a small college, university or college. So I'll make a model for you. So how to create an architecture project. So I'm just showing Revit project. So I'll make I'll go to project. So I'm doing project in architecture imperial format. Okay. So whenever you're working on a project, you should create a group folder. Model 170227. Okay. Whatever the drawings models you made, it you have to store in the folder. Listener. Okay. University architecture model. What you can do whatever the university like for your college. Okay, you can do a college model also. How many floors your college are? Because we stayed around 4 years. We know every inch and సార్ no. తెలుసా మీకు ఇంచ్ మీ కాలేజ్ ట్రై టు ప్రిపేర్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ వేర్ ఎంట్రన్స్ వేర్ ఎగ్జిట్ వేర్ వాట్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఓకే అండ్ go to manage additional settings temporary dimension set like this. I'll go to elevation. So it's a ground level. From ground level we have ground floor. What is the ground floor height? 4 feet from the ground level. Okay. From that we have 4 levels. So this is first floor and this is second floor. Or what you can do, select your array. How much? Follow. How many you want? 4. First floor, second floor, third floor, 5. Fourth floor, 6. Terrace. G plus floor. Select all and group. When we copy or array levels in Revit, it will not add any views. That's why it will show in black color. How to add a plan view? From the plan view area, floor plans. All floor plans will be here. So we will add floor plan like this. Control Z. First we have to rename. For the purpose only, I copied without doing manual. Every time it will ask you yes or no, yes or no. Now it will not ask you yes or no. When we rename, directly it will rename. Otherwise, we have to rename here, we have to rename here also. And we have to rename floor plan, ceiling plan, structural plan, if any. Now it will not, if you press enter, nothing will come. First, we have to create a levels. Now go to plan views, floor plan. See, we can add the floor plans. Same way we can add the terrace doesn't have ceiling now. So we don't need terrace, ceiling level. Okay, so now what I'll build, I'll go to ground level. I'll make a first, I'll create some wall types. Wall, edit type, duplicate, outer wall, 9 inch, 9 inch. Create a material, outer wall, something like this. Okay, I'll create some outer walls. So go to ground level. I'll create another wall, another wall, 6 inch. So another wall, another. This is outer wall and this is another wall. Okay. So I'll go to ground floor, create a wall. I have a layout, outer wall like this. Something like this, like this, like this, like this. Something like this. So this is conference room. 1, 2, 3. 40 feet width. It's like a conference room like this. Okay. We'll change width approximately. And we have a staircase. And we have washrooms here. Okay. Something like this. So then separately, by separately, two washrooms. One door here, one door here. And we have some rooms. Here we have principal room, correspondent, okay, from meeting room, admission block, something like this. And we have examination hall here. Like they will collect the fees for supply exams. No? This is the room. What is the true? Where will you pay fees for supply exams, final exams fees? Admission room only. So, where is the room? Yesterday I went to a college last week. That college flat. What I thought I'm just putting. What I remember approximately. Because I give conference from here only. Mhm. Okay. And then, so how much width is there? 20 feet, 22 feet. Right, no problem. And we have inner walls like this. Something there is a wall will be filled out. It's like a open space. Something like this. So, but there inner walls, no? We can put all this wall, inner walls. Okay. Now we have a staircase here. So here we have select CO copy, 24 feet, offset, maybe 18 feet, something like this, and 30 feet. And feet. Mm, 15 feet. Uh, Here we have lab, 30 feet lab. So like this. Okay. You can put the doors, diagram placement part. So in lab, so we have two doors, no? And it's a stationary. Okay, there is like if you want to buy any books and everything, stationary. Here one staircase is there. It is one lab. Here one door is there. Here one door is there. And we have a house like this. So we have a corridor with 12 feet, and we have a room like this, 40 feet. Yeah, align, something like this. We have unconnected 3 feet walls are there, something like 6 feet corridor like this. How much corridor? 6 feet like this. Say, well, draw mirror. Corridors. Okay, something like this. align. How much you have? Something like this. Align. How much? Six, six, six. Align like this. Align like this. Okay. How much corridor? There is no this one. Align like this. How much? So 3 feet walls. Split like this. Hmm. Now we have a U-shaped staircase here. Like this, like this. We have it's a open space entrance. Okay, here we have a lift. So there is a lift wall is there around like this. It will end to lift wall. Lift will be how much? 7, 11. So translate here from up to here. So like this, it's a lift area, and we have here garden like this. It's closed. Here to here glass wall is allowed. This is the wall level 1 to first floor. Go to 3D, select one level. I go to front. All floors from ground floor to first floor minus 6 inches like this. Mm. This wall split here. This one also ground floor to first floor minus slab thickness. Something like this. Fine. Now there is a overlapping curtain wall is there. And turn not into curtain wall with a height of 7 feet. Something like this. This curtain wall panel width is how much? 4 feet. I will configure how to place a curtain door. Insert load family doors. Curtain door. Select this panel, and fit replaced by doors with detail. Mm, 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 mm. something like this. So this is a plan layout. Okay, like this we'll make some layout now. Split here. If you want to go in detail, just make it as a LLI split. Okay, something like this. Now we have to put ceilings and everything to close the plan. And we have a slab. So I'll go to first floor. I'll put underlay as a ground floor. I will see ground floor. I'll create a slab floor with a thickness of 6 inches. Declare. Mm. Now in the pick line we have two here. TR something like this. The floor is going like this. Slab pick line. Slab is going like this. Now same way align. This alignment, this alignment. Slab is done. Finish. Actually, there is a porch is there. There is what? Porch here in this area. So the slab will come at a 20 feet porch like this. There will be some dome shape object is there. It's the entrance. It's what? Like this. And copy, paste, align to ground floor. So ground floor, how much thickness is there from ground floor to ground level? How much plinth? Plinth, so this is our plinth. So in this area, here to this C shape, we have stairs. Here entrance, we have steps. And it's a garden area. Here we have steps to reach. Okay. And at the ground floor only, I have a staircase here. So we have a shaft cut. There is a shaft opening here. So I'll create a opening here too. Staircase, how much width is there? 10 step, 10 feet, 10 plus, 10 plus 3, 13 enough. Shaft opening height from ground floor 0 to unconnected, no, up to fourth floor 5 feet. If you make multi-floor, it will cut same way. Okay, here also we have guest area, dining, complete admission block. College admission block. Here we have guest area around dining area like this. Small room. Ground floor to first floor. Minus is admission room. Here we have a walls. Three equal rooms are there. DI dimension, wall center line, entire wall, option, intersecting walls. Equal. show as a value and delete unconditional. Now do we have doors here. Here it's labs. One computer lab, one different labs. Assume anything. I'm just doing randomly. It's admission block. Inside we have so many rooms. It's same ceiling, false ceiling, open space. Okay, here the entrance is there. We also it's no entry. It's also a glass wall. Make it as a glass wall, something. So I will unpin this boolean, delete. Select this glass, replace by the something like this. So there is a functions room like this. Save. Okay, it's a big layout. So go to 3D. I will select everything. I will select everything except I will select certain doors, doors and walls, doors and walls. Hmm? Okay. Copy, align to first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. At the top. And I will select this lab. Copy, paste to first floor slab, na? Second floor, third floor, fourth floor, terrace. Terrace should be like this. Okay. Now here we have to close it. For remaining levels, we have to close. Go to individual floors, close this wall, slab edge. So in this plans, there is no this one. It's directly wall, solid wall. So here slab is there now. Edit boundary. Select this one. Finish. Now same way we have this three also delete. Make this slab over there. Copy paste to it's second floor now. You have to copy paste to third, fourth, and terrace. So I'll select small walls, this wall, 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 maybe this wall, this wall, this wall, this wall, this wall, this wall. Copy paste to terrace. Those walls unconnected, paste it. And the remaining part. Okay, go to which level? Terrace level. Draw wall. Finish face exterior. Draw like this, one wall. Room. Like this. This wall, this wall, this wall. Copy, paste to which levels now? First, second, third, fourth. Sorry. Control Z. So this wall no need. Only this wall. This two walls. Copy paste to first, second, third, fourth. No warnings. Now what we'll do? Yeah. Otherwise what happen? People will fall down. Something like this. Just we put doors and walls and slab. That's it. You didn't put anything. Now right click on view cube. Orient to which plan? Ground floor. Okay. I can see only ground floor. You'll see the preview how it's going. Now same way go to first floor. See everywhere it is perfect or not. Go to second floor like this. You can go like this. Once it is done, you can turn off the instruction box. Here something like actually in this one I want to put only to the not all levels, only to the first floor. Only the first floor. Okay. So here maybe I can access this elevation here. Okay. So in the first floor, I'll want to make one elevation of this wall. Ready? ALLI. Select this wall, this wall, this wall. How much? Defeat. ALLI. Some, something like this. Okay. In this slab, we have a do this also slab it. You can put the slab edges around the slabs. Okay. This is our elevation. Now we have to put the windows wherever the ventilations are required to the model. Okay. Now this is the today's work. I will give you this recording, complete this one. Tomorrow we'll put what are the type of rooms. You have to mention the type of rooms and everything. Okay, na? Sorry.